Okay, here we go. We're looking at Liz's and Jess's bird room. This is Pipper right here. And these are ones that are too numerous to mention. About 85 in all. And this may be a little shaky because I'm going to be walking right along and I'm walking down the length of the sunroom. And there's lots of birds in here, as you can well see. And then here's Pico's cage, and there's Pico right there peeping at us. See Pico peeping. And then over here's little Peggers, the one that has the little one leg that she can use that has a disability. Hi, Peggers. And then I'll just kind of start all over again and get up maybe a little closer so you can see more of the bird action going on. The light is bouncing back until you really can't see them very well. But if you kind of do like this, you can see better. That's the red one that they're about to, I think, have babies maybe after they lay some eggs. Oh, and I hear the phone ringing, and that's Beth's calling for me, so I'll shut this off. Look.